What a beautiful snow queen! Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my frozen coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Queen Elsa. I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with marker, a red paper and some craft tools. So I won't keep you any longer. Let's go to start it. Okay, so today I'm gonna color in the picture of Elsa's snow queen. Let's start on her face first. She has blue eyes and brown eyebrows. Let's make her lips pink. Let's color in his skin slight tan. I'm gonna color in her hair light yellow. Okay, so let's make Elsa's red, light and dark blue. And a fitness color in Elsa. Lastly, let's collage and frame the picture. So I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so beautiful! I love all the pretty design on Elsa's dress. She is the most beautiful snow queen. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get the new and fun video I make. I'm Harry P for World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye!